ברוכים הנמצאים. להכניס כרסום כזה בכל מהלך העניינים. טוב, אם Washington is a feeling that as time is dragging on, the more complicated and the more difficult the negotiations are becoming. Every day that passes on is in a way endangering the conclusion of the negotiations, which took such a long time and after such a great effort on behalf of all parties. They feel that what is being requested from Israel, namely a target date, is not really an absolute undertaking, but rather an expression of good faith. I must say that I do not share this opinion. I believe that even a loose definition may become in a year's time a reason for an additional crisis, and why should we now build a crisis which may occur in a year's time and endanger the peace, though we may have by then a peace treaty? I do agree with the American view that we have to proceed as promptly as possible. I admit it becomes difficult both for the Egyptians and ourselves to go on like it is, facing a double negotiation, namely one in the public eye and the other in secret diplomacy. Now, the two outstanding issues may be solved by having the so-called side letters. I do not believe that one can or should open the draft of the treaty, even to correct or modify one article, Article 6, because once you will open it, everything will be reopened, and you'll have to start again the negotiations all over. But I believe that by exchanging letters which may satisfy the major points of the parties, a solution can be worked out, and in spite of the sense of crisis which exists now, I'm still convinced that a peace treaty will be signed. My main concern is what will happen after the signature of the peace treaty. Are we going to have peace? Because a peace treaty is no more than a document. And will the peace treaty be strong enough to create a new reality? Or will the real debates which may take place afterwards affect badly the treaty that I hope will be signed soon? אוקיי, תודה רבה לכם.
אתה מצוי כבר בנושאים הפנימיים. אני חושב שזה 10 שנים זה מספיק, אתם לא מתחשבים בהם מספיק.
כן.
נכון, בוקר בעקבות הדיון שלנו. נשאיר את זה ככה.
מה נשמע?